Law of Attraction Productivity Keys to Boost Your Manifestation. Hi, I'm Rachael Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of your goals and your dreams. Today we're talking about productivity. What does it require of you to be productive? And see, when you're productive, the law of attraction has more space to bring more energy, to bring more manifestation, and to help you flow in the direction of your goals and your dreams and to see them completely fulfilled in your life. So key number 1 is learn to say no. If you're one of those people that has a pile this high of stuff that just never seems to get done, it's probably because you have never learned to say no. You have your goals and you have your dreams. Yes, you can help other people achieve theirs, but you can also have other people help you achieve your dreams. So stay focused and learn to say no. It's okay to say no. You don't have to take on the responsibilities of everyone around you. Create your boundaries, say no, and get focused. Now, our key number 2 is to prioritize. And I'm just not talking about prioritizing a few things. I'm talking prioritize your entire life. What does your year look like? What does your month look like? What does your week look like? What does your day look like? So before bed each night, pick out the top 3 things that you must see accomplished in the morning and focus on those 3 things first to create that habit of productivity in your life. Now, key number 3 is to limit social media. We are so bombarded with outside thoughts and influences that it is harder than ever to stay focused. So when you limit social media, when you avoid the chats on Skype, on Facebook, on all the other platforms, you can stay focused. Turn off your notifications on your phone, turn off your notifications on your computer, and just do what you need to do to create the life you dream of. Now, key number 4 goes along with limiting social media. When you can, turn off your Wi-Fi and work offline. Do what you have to do without those Wi-Fi signals bouncing in your energy field, which disables all those ads that pop up that say you need the latest and greatest and the best, blah, 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 which in reality, you probably don't need. But it's probably cool to look at. And how many minutes did you spend looking at cool things today from advertising online? So work offline, stay focused, be productive. Successful people who are extremely productive have established strict routines. What is your routine in the morning? What is your routine for turning on and off your alarm? What is your routine for showering, getting dressed, creating vibrant energy in your energy field before you go off for your day? Is it meditation? Is it exercise? What are your routines? Establish those with hard lines in the sand in the morning to be productive. Now, next is clean out your inbox. If you're getting all these messages in your email accounts from different companies you signed up for one coupon that you used once, unsubscribe to all that stuff and get focused on just the things you need to see in your inbox. Create special folders that certain messages go in and set up times to look at those folders. But make your inbox in your email the most important things that are to you so you can be productive. Next is go to bed. At the end of a long day, most of us love to just pick up that controller, click, 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 and we stay there just click, click, clicking to the point where we don't even know what we're watching anymore. Turn off the TV and go to bed. Ben Franklin said, "Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise." And you can embrace that in your life to be productive when you learn, hey, I'm going to bed because I am going to be productive in the morning. And maybe you want to pick 1 or 2 nights a week where you can stay up and just enjoy that click, click, click zombie action. But don't make it a daily thing. Go to bed and be productive. So these are just a few keys on how you can be productive. Let me know how they work for you. Write it right down below. I am productive. And then start changing your habits and becoming more productive. And if you have any more keys of productivity, share it with us. We love to experience your manifestation, your empowerment, and we love to see you soar like an eagle. Remember to check us out at lawofattractionsolutions.com. We'll see you soon.